Hi, this is Ian Thompson, 60 Seconds with Ian. Just talking with Carly Gibson, my business partner. Few buyers are thinking, well, geez, I'm not really sure if I want to buy now and I still have to sell my house. And then, will I have to buy first or sell first? That's always the question people ask. And as we look into 2025, if you're serious about finding a new home, reach out. What we'll do is get your home all measured and the photos done. That way, when you do find your house, you'll be on the market, boom, right away within 24 hours. That really increases the chances of, a couple of things happening. One, the seller of the house you're making the offer on accepting your subject to sale offer, because you can say, we're going to be on the market tomorrow. We've got everything done. And it gives you the confidence to move forward and really start seriously looking at houses, because you'll be surprised, might not be in the market today, but tomorrow the one comes on, and if you're ready, you can take advantage of that opportunity. And if you like 60 Seconds with Ian, make sure you go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. And if you'd like to book an appointment with me, just hit the button below and I'll get back to you right away. Okay? Have a great day. And Merry Christmas.